guys, so today I'm going to sing Afrikaans version of the world the FIFA World Cup. As you know, my eyes actually swollen, but it's not what about that. So I'm gonna start with near van die dag sy was born hier aan die plek. Kom ons speel wereldgoal, wereldgoal. Kyk hoe ver ons kom, no. There's beauty in the journey, see we found good. Hoe ver ons, la, samina, waka, samina, sangalewa, we say for Africa. So that is the FIFA World Cup, but I know the FIFA World Cup is over. I just wanted to do this video to like if you South African and you know the slang Afrikaans, so you will like know it, and that's the first time so you heard my voice. For those who already heard it, you already know what my voice sound like. And yeah, so guys, I'm losing by subscribers. You can see my new um my new video and my competition, my training, Melissa competing who Zoom I have on the phone who is competing with you gets more subscribers. Yeah, 62 guys. I'm 60. So if you want me to win, please subscribe guys. I'm not poor, I'm not rich, but yeah. So bye.